Hi guys, I'm Lina. Today we continue trading on the Quotex platform, and before we start, I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. We'll study the VORTEX indicator. As we see, it's now configured. We will close it and take a new one. We go into the accelerators, select the VORTEX and tell you a little about it. These are two positively directed accelerators that are based on the volatility of a trading asset. Thanks to the parameters of the indicator, it can be configured for both short-term and long-term transactions. For short-term trades and volatility of 1 minutes, we choose a period from 5 to 10 candles. I'll choose 9. Set the B plus moving average with a green light, leave V minus red. About strategies, there are 3 types of trading for this indicator. The first is the intersection of the indicator lines. There is B plus to buy from top to bottom at the intersection of minus, and the same with minus. When our B minus crosses support and it's above the green B plus line, it means that we can't sell our assets. The second is an exit from a channel that exceeds our mark. That is, our channel is formed approximately 1.2 and 0.8. This is how a support and resistance level channel is formed when exciting this channel. The green line is clearly below the red line. This is a signal for selling. The third type of signals from the overbought and underbought levels. If the green line has left the overbought zone and the red line has gone out of the underbought level, then this means that we need to buy or sell. So we'll choose a suitable currency pair for us and open our deal. Here we see that we can open our deal to buy. I will open several deals at once, as I see that we have an intersection now. A signal was immediately generated that an uptrend is now going on in the sequence, as we had 9 candles in the intersection with the time frame to open our trade. So we choose a good point to open the trade. So let's wait for their close. So the trades are closing successfully. Let's pick the next currency pair. Here we see something that is no longer suitable for us. Here our signal did not have time to get it. I will choose another currency pair. There is a potential for the trend to rise. So I think that now I will open several deals at once to increase the price. Let's see how the price behaves at the end of the time frame. I will buy in addition, because now, as we see with the new time frame, the price will change and an impulsive ascent may begin. So I will often hedge myself and always buy a convenient entry point for myself. And if one deal does not enter, then the second one can block it. For this is how several deals are opened at once. A small amount is best chosen. Let's wait for the completion of our deal. So great, our signal has triggered. Let's choose another currency pair for trading. So here I see there is a potential for us to increase the continuation of the price. I see that we have a write-off of the resistance level, so I want to open several trades. And once, as I expected it now, we will have the impulse of the red candle. We also have a signal about this, so we can open several deals for decline at the end of this time frame. Let's see how the picture will unfold. If our trend continues as we see a decline in price, I will buy for the entire amount because most likely our deals can go on into a plus, so they can at least recap themselves if the impulse of the red candle does not occur. As we see, an interesting picture is happening on their chart. Now we will wait for the closing of the deal and see what of these will come out. So in general, a good result. We recaptured our trades that did not enter and also came out in plus. There was just an unexpected price shift. They will so sharply reach support and then push away so much we can end there. We demonstrated strategies with the indicator open deals, and in conclusion I want to recommend you my private channel with my own strategy. You can find it by link in the description. Nice bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.